Hi everyone, my name is Tola, your favorite finance chef. Happy New Year, guys. So this year, I want us to talk about businesses or hustles you can do to make about a 1 million naira monthly or 2 million naira monthly, 3 million up to 500 million naira monthly. And it is not capital intensive. I'm going to be naming 5 businesses you can do to make this revenue monthly. Number one, selling RTW pieces, ready to make pieces. So we're selling Ankara wares. I'm going to be dropping what it looks like here. When you sell Ankara 2 pieces, there's a market for it already. You don't even need to buy from an online vendor. You can go to Lagos Island to buy this ready to wear outfit. They've made it already. Your own is just to resell. It is retailing for about 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira. When you want to sell, you can sell about 10,000 naira. It is easy to sell. To make 1 million naira monthly, you have to sell about 1,000 pieces or more than, right? Number two, you can sell pastries. You can sell cakes, pastries, cakes, small chops, puff puff. It is not capital intensive. What you just need is a pot and groundnut oil. That is two. Number three, you can sell kitchen items such as kitchen bowls. These bowls, you can see fancy bowls at Sinomat. You don't need to go to the main market to buy all these fancy bowls, fancy kitchen items, fancy cups, fancy mugs. These are things people use day to day, pots and the likes. They are not capital intensive at all because you can easily sell it. You don't even need, you can just go to Sinomat, take a picture of what you want to buy, and then you post it on your IG page. And when anybody sees it, you go there to pick it up. Simple, right? So we've done one, RTW brand, we've done pastries, we've done kitchen items. Number four, you can sell back to school items. Back to school item like children's school bag, children's flags, children's any children's kits, because a lot of time children's toys, not the expensive ones, a lot of time kids need things like this, so it is easy for you to sell and it is not capital intensive at all. Number five is outfits fashion outfits such as bags, fashion slippers. You will always get shoes, flat shoes, heels. These are things that are easy to make money from and revenue from. There are things you can even do from your office. You can add it to your own second hustle. So please make sure you add that hustle to your business this year. It is not difficult to do. Thank you and have a nice year ahead. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.